Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. Today you're going to notice that I am dressed with a hat and a smock and a name tag, and that's because I am volunteering today working at a garden, working in someone's yard, hosting a garden tour. And so every year our local Master Gardening Association hosts this tour, and all the houses are different every year, but I do plan to record and video some of these properties and the landscaping and the things that they've decided to do to, make more use of their small space and things like that. So anyway, enjoy. So this is the style of the neighborhood. And as you can see, there's not much space between the homes. And so, the landscaping is beautiful in everyone's yards for sure. And I'm sorry about the lighting. The morning sun is bright and shiny today. But anyway, I just want to show you how you can take a small space and be creative. This particular garden has a lot of vegetables in it, and you'll be amazed at how nice she's done it. So let's just take a moment to kind of ooh and ah over some of her plantings. Mandevilla growing up this fence. That's cool. Oh, little Terrania. Cute. Spiderwort, and now that's smart. Put that in a container so it can't spread. That's smart. Huh. This is the vegetable garden, and you can see she has a trellis here, and she has some gourds growing up it, and she even has these informational. Oh, that's her little compost pile. That is so cool. Okay. Oh, and look, her little squash or gourds. I think those look like butternut squash. I guess it could be gourds. Her tomatoes. And look at this, she has it terraced, so she has that's built up even higher because her fence back there has a brick ledge, and so then she's terraced it down. That's a creative way to keep her space nice. It's probably one of the prettiest gardens that I've seen, like so organized and clean. She's got a grape back there, and look, she's got grapes in a little bowl. She's got corn growing. Oh my goodness. Nice. Companion. So this is very educational garden. She's got companion planting, squash. Those are string beans right there. Her potatoes and a cucumber growing up over the potatoes. She is a retired school teacher, so I love her little placards for the informational. That's the little plaque we give out to our to the residents that are chosen to host a tour. She's got carrots here, sunshine ligustrum with some looks like those are crepe myrtles back there. Dill attracts the good guys like ladybugs to the garden. Awesome. So she's got some dill back there. Hyacinths that are out of bloom, but she's got those back there. She's got cilantro still growing. Now how in the world? Mine already fizzled. Got too hot for it. Eggplant. Eggplant is a pretty plant. I love the leaf color. Peppers. Trap crops. Attract pests to more desirable plants that keep them away from food crops. Marigolds, petunias, nasturtiums are trap crops for cucumber beans, potatoes, and melons. Well, that's what I just planted, y'all. So I need to do that. Make sure I have all that in my yard. Crop rotation is planting another crop sequentially in the same spot in the garden. Bush beans that mature quickly and will be replaced with purple whole peas later this summer. Thanks for that. String beans, second planting. Beets. Whoa, look how big her beets are. Cantaloupe. More potatoes. And then, of course, beautiful, beautiful blueberry shrubs. Look at these leaves on these blueberries. So she's got her blueberries, but look at how pretty these leaves are. This is why I'm putting a blueberry row. Why you saw in my garden sketch blueberry row. And her strawberries. And this is good because you put them on the edge of something that's tall and then they can just drape over. So this bed she probably amends all the time with acid, soil acidifier and things like that. But yummy. Should ask her if I could pick a blueberry. I'd love to taste it. I wonder if people who are coming today will pick a blueberry. She has a lot of them. So yeah. Then she's got kale and asparagus. Now see that? Okay, y'all, that is such a smart thing to do. Look at this. She's got her asparagus up against a wall. So when it flops over, she's got a string that holds it up. Is that not just so smart? Now here's a lemon tree in a big pot on a good-sized dolly. And then we have 4 o'clocks and verbena. And the 4 o'clocks are all closed. They won't open up till 4 o'clock. And then she's got some side between her and her neighbor. She's got some more vegetables. Oh, these are raspberries. Look how she's so creative. Put little raspberries. I wonder if that's going to draw the ants. But she's got raspberries. And then she's got an Ann yellow raspberry. A mulberry. So that's going to become a big shrub. Yeah, she's already had to put out. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about, those fire ants. A cherry tree. What variety? Well, it doesn't say what variety. I'll have to ask her. A fig. Now, I wonder if that's a little misfigure, if that's a real, a regular variety. She's got 2 of them. Let's see. That's a LSU fig. So this one, oh, it is LSU purple. Okay, so this one will get tall. But you can keep them trimmed. A black mission fig. Okay. So these will get, that's already 7 feet tall. So I would think that she'll keep it limbed up maybe, and then keep it also topped. So what does she have over here? Oh, that's just a bridal wreath. No, bridal veil spirea. But it's a new baby. It's not blooming yet. And then, of course, with that area that doesn't get much rain and help with probably drainage and things like that, she does have this planted up. This is a post-tension slab, so I wonder if she's doing this to prevent erosion from around her foundation. And this is in sun right now, but this is on the, so this is getting east morning sun, but as soon as it gets like probably 10 or 11, it's no more sun for it. That's a black lily, but it's not blooming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here it is. Make sure that. Yeah, that's it.
These are her herb planters. She's got spearmint, of course. All mint needs to go into pots, not in the ground. She's got her thyme. She's got basil. Look how cute. Okay, this is cute. Look at this. She limbs her basil up, and then she puts her little fairy garden ornaments inside. Isn't that cute? I just think that's so cute. And I love that little bird. I love birds. Anything birds. I just think birds are so cute. And her lavender. My lavender's blooming too. It does, I have mine in a terracotta pot, but they do well in a pot. It drains really well. Look at that frog. And this is garlic chives, the flat type, and then she has onion chives, which are round. I have onion chives. I do not have garlic chives. That's something I need to get and put in my yard. Rosemary and oregano in this one. So cute. Okay, we're outside of her backyard, but I wanted to highlight her fence. Now, she said when she bought this, it's a corner lot, but not rectangular. It's diagonal, or that baseball mound type shape. And she said she built her fence with her garden in mind. And so you'll see that it has the raised base, and then the wrought iron is on top of that. So a brick base, and what that allowed her to do was to raise her beds up so she could have raised beds, so she could fill it with good draining soil. Okay, so she has a beautiful fence, yet she uses the bottom part to help hold in the soil. So then she's able to terrace her vegetable garden area in the backyard. But this is for the neighbors to behold. So she's got, well, check that out. She's got bluebonnets in there. And she's got echinacea and daylilies and zinnias, and definitely pollinator-friendly plants. Of course, it's never a cool garden unless you have little ornamental art in the garden. That's a camellia, and it's a shishi gala. And if I say it wrong or read it wrong, y'all, I don't have the best vision. You will learn that about me. I don't have very good vision. And then she's got red canna lilies out here. These are huge. They're tall. They love life, that's for sure, right here. Those are either elephant ears or taro. I think it's elephant ears. Oh, they kind of look like caladiums. These are caladiums. And just, it's a repeat as you go down. But then let's look at the back of her. So here's her looking into the back of her vegetable bed. Now, she says she's always raised her cantaloupe and watermelon on these angled grids going over other vegetables. And she says that because it's not up very high, when the cantaloupe and watermelon gets ripe, it just falls off the vine. So no guesswork there. Just go out and see, oh, it's on the ground. It's time to eat it. I love the little, if I had to say what I think I might be like as I get older, I think this might be what my yard ends up looking like in the end. I just love all the little artwork. Her little informational board.
Oh, there's this Candlewick Cove to Tully. I have to ask her where this is. Anybody know the story behind that?
I'm sure there is one, and I'm sure she'll be glad to tell you.
Yeah.
That is neat how she's done those braids. That would be great on a fence.
Did the sign say if they were muscadine or not?
It says I couldn't read, or it's a table grape of some type, so I don't think it's musky.
Yeah, that's a razzmatazz red seedless grape. And I love red grapes, especially in salads. Love it. Chicken salad.
I brought some grapes.
All right, so I wonder if I can see those little squash borers. I watched a video. Can you see them? For my own reference, this Climax Rabbit Eye, its new growth, does not have coloration really to it. But this Centurion Rabbit Eye, the new growth does come out with coloring. Thought that was interesting. That's pretty interesting. And then this Kablooey Rabbit Eye, wow, look at that new growth. I think that's so pretty. I might have to get me one of these. All right, so those crepe myrtles are Midnight Magic. So Midnight Magic. I don't know what color they bloom, but I think that foliage color is quite striking. Okay, everyone, that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any comments or suggestions, I'd really like to hear them. So leave them down below in the comments section. And until next time, have a good day, y'all. Bye.